old school 6-order, man.
Okay. Awesome.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I'm waiting on the new case, and these are my brothers. I just took them from the other one. Dude, the white, right up there on the white, 27. Tell her to get at the window.
Hand trick?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Could you tell me real quick equipment before we start, man, and your name?
Dennis from Hcca, Team Orion Army, 8 Hcca 12s, flying on 190 amps of C-Max, 2 Jonathan Patrick alternators, 2 320s, 4 sound digital 8Ks at this time while I wait for my other Orion amps.
All right. Who built the wall?
Jester. Thomas.
Jester, yep.
Yeah, Thomas built it.
What kind of 6-order do you name it then? Is it like what is the word for it?
It's just a regular 6-order.
Regular 6?
Yeah.
Not like a wind. There's some people call it a certain term depending on what how it is. You don't have the 6-order?
Just an old school 6-order, man.
Okay. Awesome.
It does 61s at the headrest consistently all day long.
Appreciate that, Dennis.
You're very welcome, sir. Thank you for coming back and
Yes,
doing
sir.
the video with
Yes,
me.
sir, Dennis. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Woo! How's those amps doing? Where are you wired to? I forgot about that.
I'm at 1.0 and rising to 2.7.
2.7. Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
Pull up with the spark, hit you in the dark.
ones at the headrest consistently all day long.
Appreciate that, Dennis.
You're very welcome, sir. Thank you for coming back and
Yes,
doing
sir.
the video with
Yes,
me.
sir, Dennis. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Woo. How's those amps doing? What are you wired to? I forgot about that.
I'm at 1 rising to 2.7.
2.7. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who built the wall?
Jester.
Jester, yeah. What kind of 6-quarter do you name it then? Just like, what is the word for it?
It's just a regular 6-quarter.
Regular 6?
Yeah.
Not like a wind. There's some people call it a certain term depending on what pallet it is. You don't know? The 6-quarter?
Just an old school 6-quarter, man.
Okay.
Tell some West Side niggas they can do it.
Dang, dude. That's brutal.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Hcca Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.